Hello everyone. Today we will review and test the Jeemak 18 inches ring light with stand kit. Let's start. What in the box? User manual, a decent carrying bag for ring light set, 75-inch adjustable tripod stand, 18-inch ring light, AC power adapter, 3 flexible smartphone holder, a Bluetooth shutter remote for phone, a wireless IR remote control for ring light. Jeemak's newest ring light is equipped with the manual touch button on the light panel. You can regulate the wide range color temperature 2700K to 5700K and the different brightness 10% to 100% as you prefer through clear LCD screen or the wireless remote control freely. 18 inches outer, 13 inches inner diameter with 320 pieces LED beads, 45 watts, 5700K. Can adjust 3 color mode and 11 level brightness, offers various lighting options of adjustable color temperature, makes the room bright, meets your needs for lighting in different situations, making you more charming under the light. There are 3 phone holder on the light ring. You can use 3 mobile phones of any model at the same time. Made of corrosion resistant aluminum alloy, pretty stable and sturdy for shooting. The height can be adjusted to a wide range from 38 inch to 75 inch, and the soft tube makes the light rotate freely for the best position. The carrying bag makes you bring the ring light anywhere. Perfect for photo shooting, makeup, portraits, products, pets and video. You can take photos or videos directly with the Bluetooth selfie remote. No need to touch the phone screen anymore. Widely compatible with most Apple, Android smart cell phones, makes the selfie more conveniently and freely. Use the infrared remote control to adjust the color temperature and brightness of the selfie ring light. In general, this is a good ring light that you can find in Amazon. Check links at the description below to purchase or to learn more about it.